guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, hello. I look the exact same as the other video. Well aware of that. So this again is just going to be some stuff for my Poshmark that I'm going to be listing for sale on my Poshmark. I was just dealing with other stuff before this, and now I have a huge pile of stuff that needs to be listed. So I like showing you guys like what I'm going to have on there, just so you can kind of see it better in a video, because sometimes my pictures aren't that great. So I have a pile right here. I'm going to try to be kind of fast. I've mentioned it in like all these videos before now that when I first list this stuff, it's probably going to be at like a lower price, and then I'm probably going to increase the price of stuff later. But I am also more willing to like negotiate with you, I guess. You guys can send me offers for like lower, and I'll probably accept it if it's like right after I list it. I don't know why my shoulder like just started to hurt. It's really weird. So yeah, I have a huge pile of stuff, and a lot of it I've like never even worn, or I've just like worn to the point where I'm just like tired of looking at it, you know? First thing though, oh my god, and I did not put my phone on airplane mode. So if someone calls me or texts me, it's gonna be over for my video. Alright, so first thing is just this Obey hoodie. I really like this hoodie, but for some reason lately I just haven't been liking how it fits on me. It's not oversized enough for me. It's a medium, but it's just Obey. Crew neck, not technically a hoodie, I guess. And then I have a cardigan, which is super cute. It's great for like wearing to like work or whatever, like kind of going out, I guess-ish. But like I just never reach for it. It's super pretty though, and it's got like kind of like a shimmer to it, which it's probably not going to catch the light well enough. But it's super lightweight too, but it's very pretty. It's like so sparkly. There, if you can kind of see it, very sparkly. It's very pretty. It's by the brand Verve Ami. I have no idea what that means. It's a size small. I feel like I probably got this from like TJMaxx, Marshalls or something a while ago. Cool. So I've got like a handful of like cardigans that are like really good for like work if you need some for that. I just have worn these too much and at a job that I hate. So this is by Grace Elements. It's a petite, so it's petite size, but I guess it fits more like an extra small. But I mean, I have like huge chest and it fit me fine. I guess it would be like, it's not like a full length sleeve, maybe like a 3/4 of the length sleeve. I don't know. It's cute. It's like a blue color. All right, okay, so I'm going to try to be kind of fast through these. And then all the information, like there will be more information listed under each listing on my Poshmark, obviously, but at least this way you guys can kind of like see everything. So this is just a turtleneck, which I love, but this is something too that I've worn so many times that I'm just like, oh my god, girl, like, we get it. You like that top. This is by, Loft and Taylor. So it's just like a really pretty deep purple color. It's even got like these little like accents on the sleeve, which I really like. And this again is like a 3/4 length sleeve. It's not like full length. Some more cardigans or like sweaters. They're cardigans. But this one's like super lightweight and it's very small. This one's J. Crew extra small. It's an extra small. But it's tiny. I don't know how I ever wore this. I probably couldn't really, which is why I never really wore it. It's just a really pretty like lavender, light purple. Again, basically like 3/4 length sleeve. Plain. That'll probably be up for like maybe like $8, $10, not gonna lie. Some quick shirts here. We've got this one that's super cute, but again, just something I never really wore. I probably wore this like 1 or 2 times, no lie. Just stripes, blue and white, Abercrombie and Fitch, size small. But I think it's supposed to be kind of cropped, so it's cute, summertime type-ish, you know, with your swimsuit underneath, and it'd be cute. Or even just like if you have like a sports bra on to wear, I don't know, yeah. Another cropped shirt, because that was like the wave for me, I guess, for a while. This is also something I literally think I bought kind of recently and never wore because I was just like too chunky at the time. And now that I'm losing weight, I still don't think I'm going to wear it. So it's Forever 21. It is a size medium, but it's supposed to be like cropped. Short sleeve. Cute. This is something I have worn, but like look how baby small it is. I wore it, I'm pretty sure it's like a kid's shirt, but I wore it like short, like, you know, like crop top basically. I don't know, looking at it now I kind of want to keep it, but I probably won't. So it's a size small, and what is this, just Jordan? Air Jordan? The cats are outside. Like crying to come in. That was weird though. They made a weird sound. Hey, you can't really come in here, but I guess you're going to. She was fine. She just wanted to come in. Huh? Come here. Come here. Barbie, what's wrong? She just wanted to come in here, I guess. Okay. Shirts. So, oh my god, I choked on the air again. So just this really pretty, like, sparkly top. I love this thing. It's just that it's slightly sheer, and since, like, the boob area, I just, like, don't, it's just, like, not for me, really, so I bought it, and I love it still, but I just, you would see my whole bra and, like, all in your face. It's by Ann Taylor Loft Petites. It's a size extra small petite. Like, what does that even mean? What? What is this? Oh, a bandeau top. I'm not sure if I have the matching pants in there. What are you doing on my bed? What are you doing on my bed? Okay, you can stay up there, I guess. I don't think I'm selling the pants, so I'm so sorry. So she does this thing where she, like, rubs on, like, really soft stuff before she lays down. And so she was just, I don't know, I thought something crazy at first. Anyways, I don't think I'm getting rid of the pants, but if she won't stop, like, feeling how soft it is. Barbie, lay down. From Fashion Nova. I like the bottoms, so I don't think I'm getting rid of the bottoms, but they might be somewhere in this pile. If they are, then they'll be with it. This is a size small, so it's just like a bandeau top, but the sides are decorative, and it matches the pants, but I don't think I'm getting rid of the pants. So there's that. Literally probably listed for like $6, $8. No lie. Alright, and then I have this, like, shirt dress. It looks crazy because it's been, like, folded up or whatever, but it can be like a tunic, or it can also be like a bodycon dress. It is by Silence and Noise. It's a size small. Is that originally from Urban Outfitters? Urban Outfitters? I feel like it is. It's cute. It's just something else that, like, I kind of don't really reach for too much. So it's like, why is this in my closet, you know? Why is this here? Because I kind of want to keep this. It's just a tank top. Maybe I put it here because it's a small. I don't know. New York & Company Intimates. It's literally just a really cute tank top. But now that I look at it, I want to keep it. But I probably also put it there to be sold because it has like a bralette built into it on the inside. She is just rolling around on my bed on this blanket. Chasing her tail on my bed, on the blanket, getting her hair everywhere. So... I'll be sick for the next 3 days. Here's a shirt that I actually really, really love. And again, I don't really know why I'm getting rid of it. Probably because I never, ever wear it. It's another crop top. It's by Reebok. As we can see, it's a size large. But I love how it's like sheer at the bottom. Do you see that? How cute is that, actually? Kind of want to keep it, but I'm not going to because I've had it for a long time and I don't think I've ever worn it. Another shirt. This stripy shirt, I'm pretty sure I filmed a video in this before, but I never really wear it, weirdly. It's Nike. It is a size small, just stripes, but it's super stretchy, so I like that, and the material just, like, feels really nice. It's, like, I don't know, spandexy? It feels good. We got this little shirt, which, again, why am I getting rid of this? Probably because I have too many clothes. That's why I need to get rid of stuff. It is just a... tie-dye little baby shirt. I feel like it's actually kids. Is this kids? It says it's Fruit of the Loom large, but I feel like it either shrunk, not gonna lie, or it's kids, but I thrifted it, so that'll be super cheap also. Inexpensivo. Another shirt, which I actually really like too, but again, just not really something that I like reach for. I feel like it's a little too cutesy for my life, for mi vida, and like my vibe, but it's from Ralph Lauren. It's a size large, 12, 14, but I feel like it fits more like a medium, but I mean, it's cute. I just don't reach for it. And then, ooh, we got some more cardigans. So we got this one here, which I love this one also, but it's cashmere. And I feel like there was probably a hole or something in it somewhere really small that I had to fix. Which I list stuff too sometimes, even though it has holes in it, because some people will still buy it depending on where the hole is at, and some people reuse stuff for other things. So yeah, this one has like a little hole, but it's been patched up, so you can't really see it. Cashmere is a little bit harder to patch up once it has holes in it, so I don't know. It's nice though, and it's J. Crew Collection, Black Label J. Crew Collection, Italian cashmere. It's a large, guys, okay? Right, we've got some kind of random stuff. So we got another sweater. This one I've just had for so long. This one is probably going to be pretty cheap on there, only because I feel like I've worn it so much. It's by the brand Trouvé. It's a size small. I think my sister actually had gotten the same sweater forever ago from Nordstrom Rack, one of those. And then, not this one, I don't think. Geico shirt. Probably gonna go on eBay, not gonna lie. I'll probably put on Poshmark. It's just a Geico shirt. Fun times. This sheer, they're sheer leggings. They're from Fashion Nova. I don't know what size this is. Small. No words for it. I thought I would wear something like that. Barbie, please don't get in my stuff. Juicy Couture pants. Why are these there? Oh, because they're a petite. So these are super cute and I love them, but they're a size petite, and in pants from Juicy Couture I like a size medium, I think. Large is like too small, but medium is like my sweet spot. It's like just comfy enough. So petite is just like not it. Juicy Couture red. Just says Juicy Couture in jewels. That'll be there. We got this like cover up that I've had forever, and I'm pretty sure this is actually my sister's, but it's like still in such good condition, which is crazy because it's from Forever 21. It's a size small, and I would keep it or give it back to her. She probably doesn't want it anymore, but like it's like velvety, like cheetah pattern or like leopard, but it's a velvet. I'm just like amazed at how nice this actually still looks, but I've worn it so much that I just like can't anymore. Barbie. Oh, she was in my clothes in the closet. Some more velvet pants. Why are these in there? Oh, maybe because they're an extra small. I don't even know what I have, guys. So black like velvet velour pants. They have, ooh, zip up pockets. And then it's got like a cinchy little bottom. It's by the brand New York & Company, but they're, like I said, extra small. I'm trying to get a booty, so like extra small isn't what I want to see in my life. Some more velvet velour. Ooh, some more Juicy Couture, but these are a size small and I want a size medium. So they're just long sleeve, full length leg, black, but they have this like juicy little accent right there. Juicy Couture, size small. I gotta, Barbie, do you want to get out? Hey, this is, yeah, okay. This is what I get for letting her come in here. What else do we have here before we kind of run out of time in this video? So I have this top, which I actually really like. I can't tell though if someone had washed it wrong before and it wasn't really supposed to be this small, but it fits really nice, snug, bodycon kind of. It's a sweater. It's by the brand Bianco Blue, made in Italy. It's a size medium, but it fits more like a small, extra small, honestly. But this one is extra fine virgin merino wool and polyester, so it's nice, but it's cute. It's cute. If it fits you right, it'll look really cute, and doesn't look cute on me, honestly. What is this? Wait, why is this in here? It's just a plain gray dress. Oh my God, my hair is like on my arm. Huh. This I might have to rethink because it's just like so simple. Why would I get rid of this? By Zenana Premium size small. I think I got this from TJMaxx and it was probably super cheap when I bought it. Black shirt. Cardigans. More cardigans. But this one's cute because like the buttons are like little diamonds. This is also something that I've worn like to death into like an old job that I hated, so I just don't want to look at it anymore. The way they cut out the tag though is like overkill because they like made it apparent to like just cut out the brand name. It's a size small. I'm pretty sure it says Ann Taylor. Yeah, probably. Something else that I've worn way too much. Where is this cat? Worn way too much. You guys have probably seen like 1,075 pictures, videos of me wearing this dress, probably as like a shirt though. It's just a bodycon dress. It looks super short because it is super short. Yeah, which is why I don't really reach for it too much too because it's so small. It says it's a medium, but it fits like a small. I don't know what brand this is either because like the tag kind of came out, but it's cute. It'll probably be up there for like very low price, you know? And then we got this top, which I literally never wore when I bought it. I feel like because it kind of hurts my eyeballs when I look at it. But it's from actually American Apparel, and it's a size extra small, so it's like kind of annoying. The sleeve length is just like not what I want. It's like a cropped, like crew neck type thing, but I just wish it was a size small, and then I would probably like how it fit better. So that's just like a no from me. It's gonna get listed. Barbie, please, girl. What else should I show in this video? I guess some more pants because I've been showing a few pairs of pants like this. These are some like sweatpants that I really like again, but the color just and my makeup just ain't really it. They're from Express. They're a size small also, so like small is just not really it. Smalls for legging is fine, but like for anything not super tight and fitting should be like a medium for me. Here's some more pants. Oh, are these Juicy also? Juicy Couture. Again, getting rid of them because they're a size small. So, yeah, they're just the regular gray. They got a little bit of an accent right there. Juicy Couture. Size small. If they were a medium, I'd be keeping them. So I think that's all that I'm going to show in this video because we're getting up there in the time. I still have like quite a bit of stuff sitting on my floor that I'm going to show you guys, and then I'm going to list and put on my Poshmark, and I will let you guys know when I do. If you're interested in anything, my Poshmark will be down below in the description box, so check it out. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys have Poshmark or if you guys prefer Poshmark or Depop. I have Depop also. I just don't really like the layout of their app. It's really an app. I just like don't really, it's just not very user friendly to me, I don't think. I just like Poshmark better. But let me know which ones you guys like better. If you have a closet on either one, let me know and I will check it out. I've been buying too much stuff off of there lately. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and want to see more of my clothing and like fashion type stuff. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the bell so that you're alerted when I post new videos. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe you guys saw something that you like. We're getting a little bit more into my fashion videos, and this is how we're starting because I need to clean out my closet. And so for all of you guys that are like asking if I'm going to do thrift videos anymore, I have to get rid of this stuff out of my closet before I can put anything new in. Because like, if you guys can see, I have like this set of closet right here. I have a closet that goes this whole basically wall right here full of clothing. Then my office room also has the normal closet. Then it has my IKEA built-in closet. And then I have a third closet in there full of stuff. So that's why I haven't been thrifting a lot, is because I have too many clothes. Obviously, I have clothes that I buy and I've never worn. So that's why I haven't been thrifting lately. But yeah, if I can get rid of some stuff, maybe I will start going again. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, because this is getting awkward. Bye.